Hi everyone, my name is Santosh and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this particular video I'll be talking about C++ constructor, and as you know, I'm just started the C++ course with PDF notes. So you can see we have already discussed the classes, how to create classes and how to call the classes and objects, and so in this particular video I'll be talking about and show you the lab coding part also in this video. So first of all, I would like to say you the meaning of constructor, what is definitions, and as you can definition of constructor, you can say. A constructor is a in C++, as you can see in C++ is object-oriented programming language. So in C++ programming language, a constructor is a special method, special method, special method. As you know, just I'm talking about the method. I'm saying here is method means functions. You have to understand like this. So for method means functions, it means it is a special type of methods that is automatically called when an object is created. So what does it mean? It means when we create a constructor in classes, so and when we call, and it it will automatically call in our int main functions, inside the main function. Just like we can create just class my class. This is the name of the class, and whenever we create the constructor functions, then it would be the construction functions, the name of the construction function would be the same as the name of the class. So I'm showing just but before going dive into the detail, you must know its definitions and meaning. It means uh, construction is at first said you that construction is the special member of functions of the class. It is automatically invoked when object is created. It means it is the member of a special method. It is the method or member of function, member of function. It will be automatically invoked when you create an object. So what does it means? So you can see, I will show you. It means the name of the constructor will be the same as the name of the function, class. Class name equal construction name, constructor name. I'll show you in coding and lab part how to create and how you can execute uh, the code. It means in C++ programming language, it is the special members functions of classes that is executed when an object of the class is created, you can say, and you can remember like this. So it is primarily used to utilize, uh, initialize the object and allocate the resources if we requirement and needed. So uh, the construction has the same name as the name of the class, and it is always public, and it does not have any returns value. You must need to know it does not returns any value, and it always in public. It specifier, it means uh, specifier is always public. You need to understand, just like I'm just writing a code here. It's like class and my class. This is the name of the, you have to write here public axis specifier colon. This is the axis specifier, and again you write my class, and this is the member functions. So this is the constructor, and see out hello world, hello world, hello world, and you have to curly braces. Yeah, so the name of the class, the name of the class and the name of the constructor must be the same. And when the object is created inside the int man, it will automatically invoked invoked or called. No need to call, it will automatically called when you create an object. So this is very powerful uh, terms or concept of constructor. So you can also, there are different three types, or you can say two type, three type, four, as per, or just like you can default constructor, and you can say the parameterized constructor, and you can say the copy constructor. I will show you this in the lab session. So how to write a constructor and how you can create a call and a constructor uh, in C++. Directly move to the Visual Studio Code and see how write code and see what is happening about the code. So I'll directly move to the Visual Studio Code. So you can see here, this is the interface of the VS Code, and this icon is used to create a files, and this is used to create a folders. For first I create a files, so the file constructor.cpp, so include header files, stream using name space std and int main. First of all, write the basic syntax of C++. So this is the basic syntax of C++, you can see here. And first of all, I create my class, and I create, this is the public colon, and once again I create the my class. This is the member functions. So I will write here hello world, hello world. So this is, and you have to close it. So this is as you can see here, this is the name of the class class specifier, and you can see here this is the constructor, and this is the message body. No need to write here. And when you create an object of the class, it will automatically called. So I will show you here. You can see here, just like create an object, just like my object, or my class, my obj. Yeah, this is the object creations. This is the name of the class, and this is the name of the object. When you create the object, the constructor message will all automatically invoked. It means called. So I can run this code and see what is happening. You can see here the message is, yeah, correct, right, this is printed. So hello world is printed. So it means what is happening here in this code. First of all, I create a class, and the name of the class is my class. This is the name of the class creation, and declaration and public specifier. This is the specifier, and again after I created a constructor, and the name of the construction is same to the name of the classes, and this is the message that I want to print in the console. So this is all about the class, and inside the class construction is created. We can also create outside the class. I will show you later. So and in the main functions, you can see here the my class is the name of the classes, and my obj is the name of the object. And when you create in the object uh, of the my class, the constructor function will automatically called, invoked. So uh, no need to, it's like a my obj dot my class, no need to call, because this is the constructor function, constructor in C++, and it is the member function, it is the special methods. And when it is created, when the object is created, it will automatically called. So this is about the constructor, simple constructor and default constructor. So it does not print return any value. So uh, I have not written any type of return types, so it does not returns any types. So this is about the default constructor. So let's move to the parameterized constructor. It is also very simple. So first of all, I will create a file, parameterized.cpp. So and include io stream, and using name space std, and complete the basic syntax and main syntax of C++, return 0. So yeah, correct. So it's this is the basic syntax, and you can see here parameterize. It means constructors in C++ is uh, are basically three types. The first one I have already shown you, the default constructor having no parameters, and the second ones I will show. I'm just showing you just the parameterize. The constructor contains the parameters inside the constructor of the uh, classes. So you can see here, first of all, I create a class, just like I'm just showing the area of the rectangle. So rectangle, rectangle. So private int width and gst height. So and uh, public specifier, and I am just creating the rectangle. This is the int width and int height. So this is the uh, this line is called the parameterized. The name of the class is same to the name of the constructor. So you need to understand this is the constructor function. So width equal to w height equal to h. So see out the area of rectangle is, you can see here, width into height LDL. So this is you can create here. Yeah, this is correct. And this is the function, this is the class, this is the class creation, and inside the class the constructor function is also here. This is the private specifier. Width and height both are the private, and this is the public, and you can access inside the class, outside of the class. So we have to access the members variables outside the class. So first of all, I will create a, so this is the class creation, and inside the class the constructor function is also created here. And when we create the object of the classes, it will automatically invoked or called. So we know we don't no need to call just like extra activities. We don't need to call the functions. So I'm just showing you just name of the function class is rectangle, and my rectangle rectangle. So yeah, this is the name of the class, and this is the object of the class. So whenever you create it, the constructor functions automatically called. Constructor function, constructor. So I can run this code and see what is happening here. I'm not initialize the parameters. So this is the parameterized. So first of all, we have to suppose 10 and 5. You can see here I have passed the two arguments here. You can see here this is the arguments. So I'm just two parameters there. I can run this code and see what is happening. What is the value of the rectangle? You can see here. Yeah, you can see here the area of the rectangle is 50. So this is the parameterized constructor in C++. So we can also pass the parameters inside the constructor. And when the object of the construction class is created, the constructor, this function will automatically called in the program. So you can see here, once again I'm just run the code. You can see here what is the value is printed in the console here. So the area of the rectangle is 50. So this is all about the parameterized constructor in C++. And it is also very important to see that this is just you know, this is the attributes. This is the attributes, just that it means the variables you declares uh, to assign the values. This is the attributes, this is the class, and this is the constructor. This is the uh, variable attributes. And when you pass or call the uh, function or class or create an object of the class, and the constructor will automatically called. And just like functions, constructors can also be defined outside the class. And uh, uh, what you have to do, first of all, you have to declare the constructor inside the class. And then define it outside the class by just like specifying the name of the class, and it contains are followed by the some scope resolution operators, just means, and followed by the name of constructions and constructors, and which is the same name of the class. So I will show you here, just like I'll create a next file, um, parameterized, parameterized with function .cpp, and just include I use stream using name space std int main return 0. So it's like functions you can also declare inside constructor declaration inside the class, and you can define it outside the class by using the resolution scope resolution operators. So first of all, I create class just like car, just like car, just you can see here, just the car, just like what types of cars and what is the models, and what is the uh, manufactured years. You can see here, so brand name, model, year. You can define the attributes like this. So just like you have to publicly public public and string model, string name of the car, int year. So this is the, you can see here, just like brand, model, year. I'm just saying brand, model. You can see here brand, you can write brand, and model name and brand name, you can say here brand name, and EMFG year, EMFG year, EMFG year, you can say. And this is the class creations, and you can also define here uh, are create constructor declarations. You can also, so you can see here the constructor how you can create. So car and string brand name and string uh, model name int mfg here. So you can create here the car constructed here. So you can, this is the inside, this is the definitions are creation, uh, constructor construct constructor constructor declaration inside the class. This is the constructor declaration, and you can call it, you can define outside the class by using the just like you can say um, scope resolution operators. So you can b b name, and you can yum name, model name, you can sort, you can use, you can yum name, yum year. So you can call it core, and you can use resolution operators. So what is the name, car, and you can print, you can copy the this one here, you can copy here. You can see here, and you can just like you can put the or initialize the value, and you can also put just like I can just showing you. mm, Car, just like mm, brand name equal to b name, model name equal to m name, and mfg year equal to m year. You can see here. So see out, you can say brand, no, brand name, and you can say model name, you can say m year, endl. Yeah, so I'm just using, this is the definitions, constructor definition, definition outside of the class here. You can use just like these are you can see here, this is the two column, this is called scope resolution operators. This is used to write the call or define the constructor out of the class. This is the out of the, this is the inside the class, and this is the outside the class. So you can see here, you can whenever you create an object of the class, the constructor will automatically invoked and called. So you can see here, um, car, my details, and you have to use the parameters, model name, brand name, just like you can say, you can write the name of the car, just like a BMW, and you can just Scorpio is uh, BMW, and you can say its name is just like what is the model name. You can just like just X6, and what when it was just like a 1997. You can, it's not it, if I'm not wrong, the year will be you can manage this. So this is the parameterized with constructor. You can, and having the outside constructor are creating constructor definitions creation outside the class. So in this scenario you can say how, what is the output, you can say, and just run the code and see what is happening. Yeah, you can see here, this is the BMW X6 and 1991. You can also print here ENTL, I'm just ENTL, and ENTL, and you can see here, no need to write it, no need to write it. Yeah, we print the next line, the result will be printed next line here. You can see here. Yeah, you can see here, this is the result. so this is about the constructor, and you have also had shown you the default constructor and parameterized constructor in C++ over here. So the next constructor type is copy constructor, and which is just like a you can it is sometime you can say a copy constructor. I had shown you the default constructor, and the next one, the second one, is parameterized have constructor, which contains the parameters inside the constructor, and the third one I will say you or told you and show you also in the lab. A copy constructor is a type of constructor that creates an object using another object as the same class. So you can say here just you can it is the it will be it is a special constructor. uh, it is the special type of constructor used to create a new object as a copy of an existing object. Primarily it is used to initialize an object and from initialize an object from another object to the same class. So um, the main I will just saying the I will provide you it's the PDF notes, the definitions of the constructor, and the its type, and also the code will be uploaded in the GitHub account. You can download from there and practice one or two times, and it will be very easy to understand. So I'll show you here the copy constructor. So first I create a file named copy constructor.cpp, and I'll include IO stream using name space std. Basic functions I write first, return 0, and the definition says the definition of the constructor said the copy constructor, a constructor that initialize it will be initializes an object using another object of the same class. The class will be the same, but the it will be initialized, the value will be initialized using another object. Initialize one an object initialized by using another object having the same class. So the default copy constructor perform a shallow copy, you can say here. And I just writing code and show you the default copy constructor. So first I create class copy, and I'm just showing you the private and the public were in the just like a int my value and then after just you have to specify access specifiers, just like I'm just showing you the copy int, and it's like copy int c, and my value int c, and you can see here just like it will be called and public. You have to specify it public public. You have to close by semicolon. You can, yeah, it's correct. So after it you have to just like so you can constant clause will be just like I'm showing you. This you can see here. Just practice what I'm just copy, and I will show you this const, and then after um, copy and obj copy object, and its address, just like you can check my obj object, you can see. So it is initialized, uh, having having the same class name, but it will initialize from the another object creation. So I have to obj equal to you have to, so just let just what is the value, just have to call here obj my obj dot v. You can access the course like this. Yeah, this is my obj dot my value. My value, my value. So and then you have to write the message constructor copy constructor card. So you have to write here cout copy constructor called here Intel. So you have to write like this, and whenever you go to the int man or inside the main functions, and just like you have to, and I will show you, just like copy obj1, and you have to just like uh, 15, and copy obj2 equal to obj1, and whenever you call it obj1 equal to uh, yeah, obj1 obj1 obj, you can see here just sorry, it will not be here, it will not be here, it will be inside the main functions. So copy obj1, and you pass argument, and uh, copy obj object, 2 equal to object 1. You can pass and you can write a comment of this. And what does it mean? It means just like a constructor that initialize an object using another object of the same class. Copy constructor is called here. You can write here copy constructor is called. It means the first constructor, the first object will be called by initialized by using the second object, and which will be the call here having the same class name, having the same class. So you can say like this: just a constructor that initialize an object using another object of the same class. It means this is the first object which initialized by using the another object having the same class name. So this is you can print here, just like run the code and see what is happening here. So yeah, fine. Copy constructor called. Yeah, this is correct. So this is all about the copy constructor in C++, and I had shown you that three different constructor in C++. The first one is default constructor, and the second one is I had shown you the parameterized constructor, and the third one is copy constructor. So this is all about the constructor in C++, and uh, this is very important if you uh, just practicing or just preparing for C++ constructors. So this is all about the constructor in C++. Thanks for watching.